In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to sort numbers in a Microsoft Excel table. By default, Microsoft Excel only allows you to sort letters A through Z. So to begin, I've created an Excel table with produce and random prices. So we're going to select the price table. We are going to click on the Data tab. Then we're going to select Sort from Sort and Filter. And we are going to select Price. And we are going to sort on cell values. And then the order is going to be set from smallest to largest. You'll see that the table sorts from the smallest number to the largest number. Now, if we want to sort from the largest number to the smallest number, we go back to the Data tab and we click on Sort, and then we are going to select largest to smallest from the drop-down menu. Click OK, and now you will see the Excel table has sorted the highest number to the lowest number. If you have any questions, please comment in the comments section below. Remember to like and subscribe.